Welcome to Girona. This is a small town in northeastern Spain that features beautiful medieval architecture, this bridge built by Gustav Eiffel, but more importantly, the Braavos filming locations for Game of Thrones. Let's check them out. So this is the spot where Arya is running from the waif, aka T-1000. That girl's fast. And out of desperation, she leaps onto this stairwell and then rolls down through the market, where she ends up right here. Now this is a really impressive stunt, all right? When I first watched it, I thought they jumped from up here and then there's like a mat or something they cut away. No, if you watch the shot, they jump from here, land here. There's no mat or anything. They just do like a barrel roll. Now, I'm gonna try and recreate it a little bit. I think it's gonna come off pretty well. Yeah, no, that was atrocious. I'm not gonna be a stunt person. Okay, this one's wild. This is the exact spot where Arya is standing on the bridge overlooking the beautiful Braavos River. There's a big statue of the Braavos guy right here, and then the wave comes up and they have an issue. But you'll see this is a dry creek bed. There's no buildings on this side. It is completely different than what you saw in the show. It just goes to show how much CGI was used in Game of Thrones. Pretty much only the building and this bridge are the same. Everything else, different. Also, with the famous Braavos Bridge with the view, it is right next door to where they put on the plays. that's where they did the fake play. So I hope Arya getting maimed didn't ruin the show. I'll leave you with a few more shooting locations from around town, and stay tuned for part 2 of Game of Thrones in Spain. Done visiting the Arya Bridge, seen right there. There was a cute little cafe nearby, so I thought I would have some wine. Braavos is great.